Batisi TV, Lawan Rashapi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Arngut ki MLA balasya suspend jong Resaiñ Congress kiba kentup ya ga Dr. M. Ampareen Lyngdoh kaba mikmat ya ga East Shillong constituency but uba Mahendro Rapsang uba mikmat ya ga West Shillong constituency kila Resaiñ no na ga jinglong MLA haga khat khandai tarik uno pra arajar arpuar daga ba IT ya ga shiti e no kam how Commissioner and Secretary jong Assembly Secretariat uba Andrew Simon. Ka Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh badu ba Mahendro Rapsang ki bala syajit kum ki MLA syagayeng dorbar tawan ka jilla House nem arjar khatpra naga tiket jong Resaiñ Congress kin sa penyasok no yala de bat kaseng National People's Party haga ni ga juhi kasngi ka khat khandai tarik guno pra arjar arfuar haga jinyalang pajba ka bansalong hamadan yorenghep Shillong.
So we have come to submit our resignation letters from as members of the Legislative Assembly, and we will look forward to seeing you again in 2023, sir.
I do. I'm also looking forward to see you as well.
Please, on behalf of both of us, Speaker.
On behalf of the Speaker, I'm receiving your letter of resignation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We also I feel to submit my resignation letter at MLA to Bandu. I hope that this letter will be submitted to the Speaker on behalf of the Thank you, Bandu.
Thank you.
Together for
Yes, and I look forward to all my best wishes.
Thank you.
For this enthusiasm that you seem to have for the decisions that we are now taking. Yes, there was much speculation about where we were going to go, and after due diligence and extensive consultation, Batlang and I have decided to resign as MLAs from the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly this noon at 12:30 p.m. We understand that there would be a mixed feeling about the decision that we have taken. We respect the opinions of the people of the state of Meghalaya and very grateful that you have looked up to us as stakeholders of the Legislative Assembly. In the last 5 years, amidst so much of pressure, confusion and suffering, the two of us have served the people of the state with all our understanding, our dedicated services. And now at this stage where we have to decide what to do, because the Congress party has shown us the door. They have dismissed us and our opinions about our roles as stakeholders in this great democracy of this country. They have refused to consult with us. They have refused to partner with us. We have been this way since February 2022, and with much pain in our hearts for this rejection from the Congress, we have decided that we will walk out of the Congress main gate, main door, officially, without fear, without reservation. And we are now going to enter a new political forum. We are joining the National People's Party. This has not done without consultation of our own people in our respective constituencies. Yes, there may be some amount of disagreement to people outside of our constituencies, but it is our duty to try and consolidate on this political confusion that has been prevailing in our state for quite some time now. Please continue to support us. Support the NPP. You may have your own views. We respect your views. We anticipate some reaction, which is going to be negative as well. But that's the beauty of our constitution. That's the beauty of India. Why are we going to the NPP, you may ask? We are confirmed and convinced in our two respective constituencies that if we have to leave a national party like the Indian National Congress, we should consolidate on a national party that is of the state itself, which is the National People's Party. By our exit from the Indian National Congress, we look forward to partner with several more leaders across the state and convince them, let Meghalaya be one Meghalaya. In the interest of the people, post 2023 elections, we have seen several coalition governments, and we are convinced that fragmentation of our support in the state may not be good in the long run for the people of the state. Yes, NPP has some negatives, but in this democracy of this country, you tell me, is there any other party which does not have negatives? Individually, as a candidate, I also have some negatives, surely. Rapsang also has some negatives, surely. But decide we must, and we have decided. Dakani kajingwan jungi bentak step ni wan ni hik tang banginya IT ya kata kajinglong MLA jungi kani kadai ka senjam ka basitom ha na kabenta jungi ahmut kamdai ka basuk ban suong in kumki MLA kani kala wan urlong hadin kajingya selok kabajeli ubat kinong song haki constituencies jungi iway kamdai kajing rai ka basuk ka ba mano la man suan balay ba ngiray bangi hap man Resaiñ shwa kamlong kababyang kalenti banyad yakinong yalam kibala sya jet kum ki MLA ban shui sendet yala ki jong ki party bat ban let rung na din jingkhang ba sya ki party ki bay pat ngi kwa banyad ka kalenti ki bakot kalenti ki babel ki pat ba jungi ki jet ingi kum ki Congress MLAs balay pintok iti pat ba Resaiñ no but let no nakabakot siya kaway pat na sek nilaray ban let siya kasek NPP ngong to inbon ki ba siyang sabar ka constituency jungi ki balong balay hilet siya NPP kajubab jungi yapi ki padon kata kajing snow kolong to snow bha nginya telino snow bha penteli ya kani ka ribat ka jaj penteli jungi kat bala kabangiya parya tukra da kabangiya lek sekiseng ki baper arjar artulai pinsayo ya ka sarkar ka batlot hakabahap ya sendrop lang sibon ki parti ngamdan kambangan da batay than yu pigi nong sok snong gitu sila pi kam stand ki badingi balengi kwa let si NPP datang ke NPP te ka parti ka badai jong kani ka jelang kiway ki parti nong way sudah ngangas ngo bang ngimdon kambanya selok at least mga try balang sa kren na yalek selok itaba su sa kita ki parti ki pasabar ka jela ka jungi namar ngingi la don ka Congress kata nrepet ha ka pod ka Congress ka prapum siya ay kita kinong yalam nang tanag ki jaka ki bakisyong headquarters mati Kim Salya ya ka ai ka baja haki constituency tu ni kim ket kle lem ya ka ai ka baja yang ni sibe kum kinong yala ki jingyai nanti ke jong ni haki sans lem ki baladap kalau long shisha ka baja wit ku baja oh kindon la pedeng jopi kinong oh kita ki kwa suki dengan pensyai lupa ya pi ki bandon kum kata kajing penbut nam yang ni kinong yalam jong ka jela borok khoi ki syajit ha kinong kersan na ki constituencies la jong aba kinong kersan kila penjob yang ni kum kila thong yang ni kum kita ki amali kadon kajing ang nut manginyo lem ya kasuki de lem kasuki ru ngila pen ihi ya ki constituencies jong ni ngilala ite mangin ay kata kajing syakri ho kajing syakri ke ba teli kat bala ai lai bon pilaban ong ke NPP bakumta to ong pi nga ay nga ko wai ke parti ke baklem don kita kajing syakno simet ru ngidon kajing bakla manohi boong bang klem bakla tinrei kita kajing bakla baro ngiyale pan penbet ngiyale pan pen silent ngiyale panyayat na kidenti ki babiang pan pen pi bakijing bakla jungi walang ni bakla hidon pat laki jong hijau jong kata kajing bakla ingin ba nang mi syakman da kabaya selok pat ke parti ke bada ke jela lajong lada pi reject ya ke parti na ke jela lajong pi kedop ya ki parti ki bawan nabar kum kinong wei ti sano kan kan ke jela ke jong ni kan laj ti ngi don tangkat tabon ong bato wailem na kabanta jong ni bangin yai long kita kinong si hajar mo ipi baro
job election dengan katakan parti Kongres dan parti Rapsang dan ihi kejeruat bagai ngia kendu kum kita di legislator jong parti kena ya plan bunti ni kata ngira sim ko karai pening jongi mangin ya mi no na Kongres bagi ni join no kat national NPP di kajing join jongi kan dai shibit officially mo thì ngasup nat ban ong ni ba kum o ameli ngala sakri ya kasti ngala sakri ya constituency jom kat capacity ko man dai ngasup nat chibune bangala yo train mata ke constituency kam tam so mangan rai kani kam ban lek chibui ke parti ngalai selok bat ki nongbut jonga ngalai selok bat paiba jonga ha ke constituency ki paiba nong kam jonga Jumdan ke jing sa no ya mangan mi parti Kongres bat kisanya be hanga mangan don bat kono no parti amanga kli ki ngandon bat NPP piong ba tabyang be le dengan bat si ngabat kum emle ala Resaiñ tasmi man join no sibet NPP mana community bangan yo ban sen syakri biang sai sisin yo pai ba hakani ka alpulai arcara alpulai fresh
ini gijing keno pinyai wan hi tapi don hakanu kanu ka sengru ka badan haka sarkar ka don gijing keno kaya kani ka sarkar ka piyo akini ki sanslem ki baladap baro gi parti gidon lang hakata ka jing ya sedrop lang di mentapin memyabot syu kita ki parti ki badon lut akani ka jing ya sedrop lang te kamot upat ba jong ka seng jong ka jela bagi jungi kinbot ya no ta pinyat lembut kita long kabasay kan don katukat ni kajing bakla nginumla mangi bangin ya ay ya kata ka defense na kabenta kajing bakla andre ngihap right sino banleg pikwa ingi banle komunuta nilay yes taba no pati seng di banan nang way bana sabat pitaray kita kilaban ay ni kata kajing social baskem pinong ka bamsap taray dangdon ka parti ka baklam bamsap so hakom kani ka jingyo i ko jung tingingi ong pet ngihap rai sino banlek damar ka seng Kongres kala kentat ini nah baka kentat ini da ka baka suspend ini kamot kam kuwa so bandon jingyo day bat ni tingin ya pet ken sino panyalo na ibo di barit mangi ki barong tumay sa ka NPP ngin te song ken ngin pen baha ken ngin pen kan pam lem ken ngin pen kren lem ken Namar lada baro ngin hapan suya sim na itara jor ibarit. Ban pet mano bakya no. Kapop jong no kabakam he, kapop jong no kabakam kendin. Takamot ngi tingin no miala asuban ya don hakata kabantay jong kasensya kakada. Nilaray ni kerben bagi pagba kins ngaw sen ailam, kins ngaw tulam, bat kinyay kersan. Kidon katukat ni kita kijing yui kijong nga hakata kajing bamlet jong nga siya kata kiseng regional parties mo. Ki khana ki jongi ki klem ya bet katukat ni kijing wandur ha kajing pet ka jongi ki long ki ba syai kadar ba imat kamdon kata kajing khot kaba das da kaba dalong security ki klem da ya khot ha ki klem don kata kajing syai ha kata kajing khot ka jongki tingim ban se mo Naman ha constituency jo nga ru iwe na inong yale baju yale nakata kaseng regional mo kadon ka kenram kumbang UI ha kala to hai kubor tinggim don kata kajing scam te banrung hakum kita kijat party nga kaba ka kenram le se kalong ka bajelew ndai ka bangim ya pay te hang ni ha po ka party ka bamday kata kani ka party NPP ka day ru ka regional party ndai ka day ka regional party with a national outlook tingin ban second pingi kwa ban pentelite to hato ngila ne em tingin siapet ya karasam kalong kumno kaladon ba kajing yawer tinre kata kajing yawer ti pidi ban kan mau pat yawer ingi simet ngi pat ngi haplet ya kata banra ya kata kajing yawer ki we sya kalempung jong ginong kersan pat ken lada kinong kersan kimdon kata kajing scam Kimdon kata kajing mon ka basolon sar. Ngimban si ken ban ya kentan. Namar nga ngapet hakum kani ka juk jong kajing sensar kadar. Iman daladep election baro te kia don lang kia kedup lang kia song lang. Tinggi niya tang ita ilenti la jong. Ka gaban saja arpo lai te pinong sukum no. Mentala da kawai ka parti ru kamla banyo. Ya kata ka majority telahap ya tre lang ite. Kado yaway po ilang sedyo. Tinggi ngiong dang syay, titong inlet siya mangi siya kata ka NPP. Nakajing tumong kumabha. Siya ni lada baro kata ka kam sensyar kadar kayat pelun saudong ya kapisa. Ti kandon kajing keno bam sapat hang no na upad ba. Tinggi ngila kentat lupati ya kata kajing terwa. To na ya kanay kajing terwa jong kibriyo. Ngipet siya ya kajing tumu jong ngiken. Shimet kum kinong yalam. Lasim mo, bansya ya kapisa bakan sensyar lakman. Ngiting iyan. Mdon jing yate baka NPP halor kita ki ibaro. Kajing yate kalong bet baka NPP to ngin yateli. Ngin pet to ngila na banwan ra. Away kasur. Jong ka sensyar kadar. Haw ar hajar ar hulay.